Hi everybody. It is the holiday season here in Siracusa, and it's kind of an unseasonably cool and wet day here. By no means the kind of cold and wet I'm used to in the Pacific Northwest, but still enough that it made me want to pop on my Icelandic wool sweater and get nice and cozy. And inspiration for the video is kind of an unboxing video, if you will. It's the holidays, and so in the supermarkets are stocked all kinds of different panettone and Pandoro breads, specialty for the holiday. As a kid, I was not a big fan of panettone with the citron fruit in it. It made okay toast, but I was not really that big a fan. And but what I have not had before that I think I am gonna like is Pandoro, or golden bread. And there are a lot of different flavors. I opted for this one that is all Sicilian and made with lemons from here in Siracusa, so that I could be as local as possible with my bread. I think that I've had something similar to this once in Puerto Rico, kind of accidentally, and it was great. It kind of reminded me of Santa Lucia buns, which it's almost time for here as well. And I loved it. So I'm going to take this out and see what it looks like. Okay. Wow, it smells very, very good. So it's kind of a star shape, and it's in this big bag. And I have not done this before, but I've heard that this is how to do it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I've got this, which I believe is a packet of powdered sugar that was in there. And this goes into the big bag. And shake and bake. Okay, that seems actually extremely effective. I'm going to see if I can put this out onto a plate. So these come with all different sorts of fillings to them, different kinds of finishes. I'm looking a little bit lopsided, but I'll try and show you kind of the prettier side of things. And again, I bought the Sicilian lemon. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty spongy. It's reminding me of angel food cake a little bit. Can I even get it open? There we go. Actually, a bread knife probably would have been the better choice. Here we go. Okay, here's what it looks like inside. Here's what a slice looks like. There's a lemon filling right there that's kind of hard to see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a taste, and then for those of you who are weird like me that wanna keep watching, I'm gonna flip through this catalog from the grocery store that shows like all their special holiday foods and how much they all cost. That's the kind of thing that I wanted to see before moving here, so that I'd have, just be able to prepare better and know what to expect. at different times of the year. So I'm gonna have a little piece of this that has the lemon filling. Yeah, it's good. It is kind of an eggy brioche bread, and it's not terribly sweet. I mean, I think that the powdered sugar on the outside is actually a really good idea. And it isn't saffron flavored, but it does also remind me though of Santa Lucia buns. Just kind of in texture. Yeah. If you happen to find Pandoro where you are, I highly recommend it. This won't be the last one. I'm sure I will get one with chocolate or chocolate chips or something in it too, but really good. So, while I enjoy that a little more off to the side, I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you browse through what is available at the Deco grocery store. I went yesterday, which is when I bought the Pandoro, and it was amazing, the variety of things. Oh. All right, camera, let me turn around. All right, well, I'm gonna have to splice it in.